What's up guys, welcome back to another video. We are back out at Goat Farm again. We're here with Bo from Riffzone MTB and Remy from Trekstar MTB. So, and also Remy's brother Louis from Louis Rides MTB. So I'll put their channels in the description. You can go check them out. Anyway, we're just gonna warm up on the blue and then do a bit of skills park and trails today. So hope you enjoy. That rock thing's so kicky. No! Louis! That was so sick. Oh my god. I did that rock garden so smooth. Okay, so we are climbing up to the top now. I think we're gonna do Blue Tongue or Blue Cruiser, so let's go. Alright, we're doing Blue Tongue. Let's go. Okay, ruts everywhere. Yeah, I know, it's slippery as. Those rocks came out of nowhere. I always get stuck on those rocks. Shiver me timbers. Oh wait, pedal for the jumps. There's jumps coming up. Took me the wrong way. Shouldn't have followed Remy's line. Kangaroo! Oh, that hurt my hand. Oh my god, I need to be awake. Half asleep. Oh no. Oh shit. Oh, inside. What?
What did you say on that rock garden up there? I tried doing that little...
Holy. Okay, it's all good now. Oh my god. Alright, so I'm just pushing my bike back because I've got a flat tire. So I've got a spare tube, so I'm just gonna fix it. But, you know, I'm probably gonna change to tubeless now, because this keeps happening. Anyway, we'll get to fixing it. Ah.
We are still at the goat farm and Jackson got a little bit of a flat tire.
Alright, so there's some footage of Remy while I was fixing my chain. My wheel. It took so long, I don't know why. The thread just didn't want to connect and stuff. It took ages, but we're fixed now. My brake needs to be pumped a lot. Anyway, that feels a bit better.